50 whoop I use. Run cam light, split 3. Tiny whoop, 2500 kV motors, 0802s. Happy model diamond. For racing, I run about 45 degrees. Analog racing build. Fox Ear Pico Razor because they're amazing. 2600 0702 motors. The heavy metal diamond board. Been using these beta canopies because they're really cheap and they hold the razor, but they break like crazy. So this one's glued together. So is the frame itself. Mob 6 frame. I don't know what camera angle it is. Maybe, well, it's busted, so it's way steeper. Maybe 45, 50.